Hello students, this is physics session for class 10th and today I am going to discuss some important topics from light chapter and watch it carefully and keep writing with me. So, let us see some important topics which we have selected from this chapter. First thing is about ray diagrams. Image formation, by spherical mirror, So, when you prepare about the ray diagrams or image formed by spherical mirror, you feel some difficulty how to remember all these things, where image is formed, what is the nature of image. So, you can conclude all the things like nature of image, size, position of image, and position of object. The nature of it is about concave mirror. The nature of image is real. Think like this. The nature of image is real and inverted. And the size is highly diminished, means very small, highly diminished. So, if nature of image is real and inverted and the size of image is highly diminished, so where may be the position of this image. As you have studied, when the image is highly diminished, it means the image is at focus. So, position of image will be at focus. So, from where you place this object to get such type of image which is at focus, the position of object will be at infinity, means far away. Okay. So, if the question is where you place the object in front of concave mirror to get real image of highly diminished, so you can very easily find out the position of object. The object will be at infinity. Okay. So, you keep remember that when object is at infinity, the image will be at focus and its nature will be real and inverted. Now, the size of image is diminished and it is between center of curvature and focus. The image is between center of curvature and focus, and it is diminished image, and it is real and inverted also, real and inverted. So, to get real inverted image and it is diminished image means is smaller than object. So, where you place the object? It means the object is, obviously it is beyond C. Okay? The object is beyond center of curvature. And then when you want to get the image real inverted and equal size of object. So, can you guess where will be the position of image? In this case, the image is of equal size and it is real and inverted. It means the image will be at center of curvature, because the image which is at center of curvature, it is of the same size of object and it is real and inverted. So, where you place the object to get such image, the object will be at center of curvature. Okay. Now, the image is real and inverted and it is bigger than object. The size of this image is bigger than object. So, it means the image is now magnified. Okay. So, if image is magnified and it is real. So, now you think this question, where you place the object to get magnified real image of an object in front of the concave mirror. Again I repeat this question, where you place the object in front of concave mirror to get magnified real image of the object. So, now think like this, the image is magnified and it is real. Image is magnified and real and the mirror is concave. It is concave mirror. Okay. So, such image, to get such image, where you place the object? Surely the object should be between center of curvature and focus. So, when you place the object between center of curvature and focus, you will get real and magnified image or magnified real image of the object. What will be the position of image? It is beyond center of curvature. Okay. Now this time the image is virtual and it is erect. Virtual and erect. So, to get virtual and erect image, where you place the object? The object is between pole and focus. If you place the object between pole and focus, you will get virtual and erect image. So, this image will be magnified and it is behind the mirror. Okay. This image is behind the mirror. And now one more case. The image is highly magnified. Highly magnified. Okay. The image is highly magnified. Where you place the object to get highly magnified image, and it is also real and inverted. Real and inverted. So, to get real and inverted image which is highly magnified, the object should be at focus. Okay. Now, this is a complete table by which you can remember for what position the image is required. As you can see, now compare the size of image. You can see when object is at infinity, you can see what is the size of image. It is highly diminished. Okay. And now when object is beyond C, the size of image is diminished. Okay. And when the object is at center of curvature, the size becomes equal. And when the object is between C and F, the image is magnified. Now, in this case, what you can observe, when the object is brought closer to the mirror, then the size of image also increases. Okay? Because when you are bringing the object from infinity toward the mirror, then size of image also increases. Okay? And for what position you will get equal size of image? You can see when you place the object at center of curvature, you will get equal size of image. Now, we will discuss how size of image is related to its magnification. As you know, if magnification is 1, it means, what does it mean? It means size of image size of image is same as object. Okay, if magnification is 1, and if magnification is -1, what does it mean? This minus sign tells about the nature of image. Okay, so for minus sign, the nature of image is real and inverted, and if the magnification is let 2, it means the size of image is 2 times, it means it is magnified. And if the sign is plus, suppose, it means plus sign means it tells about the nature, and it is 2 times, size of image is 2 times means magnified, and it is virtual. Okay. And one more thing, if magnification is less than 1, less than 1 means it may be 0.5, it may be 0.3 and so on. So, if magnification is less than 1, it means the size of image is smaller than size of object. Now, take a screenshot of it. Now, you can see one thing is left. When object is at focus, the image will be at infinity. Okay, and this image is highly magnified, and it is about the magnification and size of image. Now, again take a screenshot of it. Now, from this table you can answer any question related to spherical mirror, like where you place the object in front of concave mirror to get magnified erect and magnified inverted image of the object. This is the question. What type of image you are wanting? Magnified, erect and magnified, inverted. Okay. You are wanting magnified erect image and magnified inverted image. So, to get this image, where you place the object, you can very easily search out from this table. To get magnified erect image, there is only one position in which you can get erect image, and the image is the object should be between pole and focus. Okay. So, in this way you can very easily think on it. To get magnified erect image, the object should be placed between pole and focus. Okay, and this one, if you are wanting to get magnified inverted image, then where you place the object, as you can see, the image is inverted and it is magnified. It means the object should be between infinity to focus, okay, anywhere. It means the object should be placed between center of curvature and focus. Now you can see ray diagram. Suppose this is concave mirror, pole, focus, center of curvature. Don't forget to write pole, focus and center of curvature in case of spherical mirrors. Suppose the object is at infinity. So, where will be the image? The image will be at focus here. Okay. When object is at infinity, the image will be at focus. Now, when object is beyond C, suppose the object is now, it is the object and it is beyond center of curvature. So, the image will be between C and F, anywhere, maybe the image, it is position of image. Okay. Now, the object is at center of curvature. What may be the position of image? It is at center of curvature. It means image is here at center of curvature. Now, what can you observe? When object is at infinity, the image is at focus. When object is beyond C, the image is between C and F, and when the object is at center of curvature, the image is at center of curvature. It means when object is moving or object is shifting toward the mirror, the image is moving away. You can see the image is moving away. The object is shifted toward the mirror. The image is moving away. And when the object is, suppose here, it is between C and F, the image will be beyond C, here will be the image. It means the object is again moving away. When the object is placed at focus, the image will be where? This image will be at infinity. So, it means from infinity to focus, when you shift the object toward the mirror, the image is gradually moving away from the mirror. Okay? And what about the size? The size of image also increases. Okay? It means you can think like this: when object is moved towards the mirror, what happens? The image is moving away from the mirror. And what happens to the size? the size of image also increases. Okay. Now you can take a screenshot of it. Now you have to remember one more thing also. The magnification and size of image. Size of image is same. What will be the magnification? It is 1. Size of image, it is suppose diminished. The magnification will be greater than 1, and the size of image is magnified. In this case, the magnification, in case of diminished, magnification is less than 1, and if the size of image is magnified, the magnification is greater than 1. Okay. And now one more thing, it is also very important. How many rays are required to get the image by a spherical mirror? As you know, from the object, so many rays coming and fall on the mirror, but we select only 2 rays to get the image. So, minimum 2 rays are required to get the image, Okay. And one more thing, in case of mirror, if image is erect, it means, you can see here, the image is erect, it means it is erect and virtual. It means it is always behind the mirror. Okay. And if image is real and inverted, it means it is always in front of the mirror. Okay. So, these things are also very important. If the image is erect and it is virtual, so it means this image is always behind the mirror, and if image is real and inverted, it means it is always in front of the mirror. Okay. When magnification produced is plus 1, suppose, it means it may be plane mirror also, because in plane mirror the size of image is same as size of object, and image in the plane mirror is also behind the mirror. Now, again take a screenshot of it. Now, this class is over today, and we will discuss some more important things about a spherical mirror, and I hope today you have learnt something in a different way about how to keep the things in analytical way and how to attempt the questions. Now, this session is completed here. Thank you, students.